Hello everyone, I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors and I'm a content creator for Dixie Belle Paint. It's getting to that time of year where I'm starting to get my Christmas crafting on, so let's transform this advent calendar with some Dixie Belle paint. First up, I'm going to use some English ivy and apply this all over using a stippled effect. I want to create some texture with the base coat, which is why I'm stippling this on. As you can see, it's just a case of dabbing the paintbrush up and down to create some raised textured areas. Now I want to paint inside all of those little cubby details, so I'm using an artist brush to get inside. Okay, so my second colour is Weeping Willow, another green. I'm just going to layer this up on top of the English ivy, but I want some of that base colour to peek through, so I'm not going to go for full coverage. I'm now going to add a little festive cheer by applying a Christmas stencil. I've chosen cucumber ice and now I'm going to match up the stencil pattern and apply this by putting a small amount of paint on the brush, wiping off the excess on my cardboard, and then I'm going to gently dab on top of the stencil, holding it in position as I do so. I'm working in sections, matching up the pattern as I go. It's always important when stenciling to only use a small amount of paint. This will help to eliminate any bleed through and give the design a nice crisp look. Once the stencil is dry, I'm going to apply a pearlescent glaze. This is going to go all over and give it a lovely shimmery, Christmassy look. I'm going to apply a thin layer of this all over using a chip brush. You can build up the layers if you want more of a shine. Now I'm going to position the numbers randomly all across the different drawers. And now it's time to apply these, one to each of the drawer fronts. You can buy these numbers cheaply online, or you could use a stencil. Now it's time to fill each drawer with a yummy chocolate. It would be rude not to taste test these whilst I was working, don't you think? So here is the finished piece, ready to gift on the 1st of December. I hope that you all have a fantastic festive season and that you've enjoyed watching this tutorial today. If you'd like to see more of our festive crafts, you can find us on all of the social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. For more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment and turn on your post notifications to be notified when we next post. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.